Land Rover Defender versus Hyundai Santa Fe, which is better? Most people get this wrong by comparing only looks or brand prestige. The surprising truth is that these SUVs cater to very different drivers. The Land Rover Defender excels off-road with advanced ACC systems, durable construction, and high ground clearance. It's ideal for rugged terrain and adventure enthusiasts. Luxury touches and customizable interiors add comfort, but maintenance costs are higher. You won't believe how capable it is in extreme conditions. The Hyundai Santa Fe focuses on family comfort and everyday usability. It offers smooth handling, spacious seating, strong infotainment, and efficient engines. Safety features like blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking come standard, making it perfect for urban and highway driving. In conclusion, pick the Land Rover Defender for adventure, off-road capability, and premium feel. Choose the Hyundai Santa Fe for comfort, safety, and everyday practicality. Understanding your needs ensures you make the right choice.